Hi cuties, how are you? This is your Zenatma. I hope you are all be very fine in your home. So cuties, yesterday, can you remember which topic did you all do your homeworks? Anybody? Any guess? Very good. It is adventure sports. I think so you are all enjoyed about that videos, pictures and more information I have showed to you. So likewise, today also you are all going to see interesting videos, pictures about our today's topic. Today I am going to start with one quote. The quote is, just like the tricolor in our flag, people in India also exhibit three characters: affectionate, trustworthy and caring. So how many colors in our flag? Three colors. Very good. With that three color, like that, in same way in our life also we can follow, we can have three characters. What are the three characters? Affectionate, trustworthy and caring. With these three characters we can definitely become a successful and winning heroes and heroines. From this picture, anybody guess what is our today's topic? Yes, it's something, it is relevant to flag or like that, you will guess, I know. But our today's topic is flags of the countries. See how many countries, how many flags of the countries picture is there. So a national flag means is a flag that represents or symbolizes a country. So a national flag is flown by the government of a country but can usually also be flown by the citizens of the country. A national flag is designed with specific meanings for its colors and symbols. Okay, what do you mean by a flag? So a flag means it is a piece of fabric with distinctive designs and colors. So what do you mean by country? So country means refers to a political state or nation or its territory. So our today's topic is flags of the countries. What is that? Flags of the countries. Have you all seen our Indian national flag? Yes. So, Gandhi first proposed a flag to the Indian National Congress in 1921. The flag was designed by Pingali Vengaya. Who designed our Indian national flag? Pingali Vengaya. In the center of a traditional spinning wheel symbolizing Gandhi's goal of making Indians self-relevant. So, by fabricating their own clothing. Okay, see, Mahatma Gandhi, he is a Pingali Vengaya, one who has designed our Indian national flag. Okay, anybody know in which area our national flag is made? Anybody know about the manufacturing unit? So the name is Karnataka Khadi Gramodyoga Samyukta Sangha. Again I am repeating, Karnataka Khadi Gramodyoga Samyukta Sangha is a manufacturing unit. In this unit only our country cloth is made and exporting to other countries. It is located in Bengari village of Darwan district. Okay da? So moving to our thing sheet. You are all excited to see the thing sheet. So this is our thing sheet, flags of the countries. So first Roman, observe the flags and writes the country name. You have to observe the picture and write the country name. So see the first one. This is, anybody know this flag is contained to which country? Yes, it is USA. USA means United States of America. Do you all know America? That flag. Okay. So the flag consists of 13 equal horizontal stripes of red alternating with white, with a blue rectangle in the canton, bearing 50 small and white 5-pointed stars. So see the second picture. See the second flag. What is the name of the country of this flag is? Japan. What is that? Japan. So the national flag consists of a white field bearing a central red disc. The flag has a width of the length ratio 2:3. What is the name of this flag? Japan. Very good. So first one, what is the name of this flag? So name of the country flag is USA. Very good. So third one, what is this name of this country? Which country it is related to this flag is? Anybody? Very good. Australia. Australia. So the Australia is based, this flag is based on the British Maritime, a blue field with them headquarters, 7 pointed stars and the representations of a southern core constellation made up of 5 white stars, 1 small fine spots. So fourth one, what is the name of the flag the country belongs to is? China. This is the China national flag. Okay. So the national flag of China, officially the People's Republic of China, 5-starred red flag. Okay, the design features are 1 large star with 4 smaller stars in a semicircle sets. Okay. So what is the name of this flag? Which country belongs to this flag? Which country? China. Very good. So fifth one. Which country belongs this flag is? England. Is that? England. So the England, a white field with center red cross emblem of England can be traced back to the Middle Ages. Okay, it is referred as a national sports event during England's national football team. What is the name of the country the flag belongs? England. Very good. So moving to sixth one. What is this? Anybody guess? Canada. Okay. The flag name is, which country belong to this flag is? Canada. Okay. So it consists of a red field with 1:2:1. Okay. 11 pointed maple leaves charged in the center, in the middle, which is features a stylish red leaf. So sixth one, what is the name of the country the flags belong is? Canada. Some fourth one, name the country da. Fourth one, say anybody. Now only I told. Very good. China. Okay. So moving to seventh one. What is this picture? Name of the flag of country is Israel. Okay, Israel. So it depicts a blue Star of David's white background between two horizontal blue stripes. So which country this flag is belong? Very good, Israel. So eighth one. What is the name of this flag? Belongs to country is Spain. What is that? Spain country flag. This picture is a Spain country flag. So it consists of three horizontal stripes, red, yellow and red. The yellow stripe being twice the size of each red stripe. So moving to ninth one. Which country belongs this flag? Italy. Okay. Italy country. So it is a tricolor featuring three equally sized vertical pairs of green, white and red with the green at the hoist side. So moving to 10th one. This flag belongs to which country? Afghanistan. Okay. Afghanistan. So it consists of a vertical tricolor with the classical national emblem. Okay, madam. On the red band and then slightly overlapping black and green bands. See this picture. This flag belongs to which country? This is Kenya. Kenya, Kenya country. Okay. So it consists of a tricolor of black, red and green with two white edges. Okay. Moving to our 12th picture, first Roman last picture. This picture belongs to which country? North Korea. Okay, North Korea. So it consists of a central red panel board above a blue stripe in the below. Red star within a circle. Okay. So have you all clear about this first Roman? You have to see and write the correct country name for that particular flag. So say the answer for the 7th one. Which country? Anybody? Very good. It is Israel. 4th one. What is the name of the country of this flag? Anybody? Very good. China. Okay. Moving to our second Roman. Before I am going to show many flags in our countries. One video go and see. Have you all enjoyed by seeing the video of different various countries' flag? Okay. So moving to second one is match the flag to the country. Here 6 questions were given. You have to match to the correct country. Okay. See what is India? First one is India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Ireland, Bangladesh, South Africa. Okay, have to match. So first one I'm going to tell about the information. So first one is Ireland. What is that? Ireland. So the national flag of Ireland frequently referred is a tricolor of green, white and orange. Okay, second one, the picture which the name of the country this flag belongs to is Bangladesh. Okay, Bangladesh. So it consists of a red disc on the top, green field. The red disc is offset slightly towards the hoist so that it appears center. The flag is flying. So third picture is, we all know, it is India, our national flag. Okay, our India. So we are all known horizontal rectangular tricolor, saffron, white and green with Ashoka Chakra and 24 spoke wheel. Okay, the saffron denotes a courage, boldness, and the white in the center is trust and peace, and the green shows our relation to soil. The chakra represents the law of dharma. Okay. So this name of the country, this flag belongs to South Africa. Okay, South Africa. So it is a horizontal bicolor of red and blue with a black isosceles triangle based on the hoist side and a green pal and central. Okay. So fifth picture is, it is Sri Lanka. Okay, Sri Lanka. So Sri Lanka, a yellow field with two pillars, a smaller hoist side and two vertical bands of green and saffron. On the larger fly side panel is a maroon field. And the vertical yellow field appears as a border around the entire flag. So last one, what is the name of the country? Many knows the country name is Pakistan. So Pakistan, a white star and crescent on a dark green field with a vertical stripe at the hoist, a big star. Now say first one is Ireland. Okay, second one is Bangladesh, third one is India, fourth one is South Africa, fifth one is Sri Lanka, sixth one is Pakistan. Okay, so okay, this is our thing sheet. You have to do one interesting thing I'm going to show now. Watch. The past video is what are the countries place their flag other than the earth. So 6 countries played their flag in moon. We all should proud our Indian national flag is also placed in the moon. So we are all happy and safe means one of the main reason is the soldiers, the army members. So we have to take a national pride and salute and wave the national flag. Okay. So, okay, dears, thank you. I hope you all enjoyed this class about the thing sheet of flags of the countries. You maybe know many informations. I think so. Do the homeworks regularly. Okay. Eat healthy foods. Stay happy. Stay blessed. Thank you. Good days. Bye.